In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to pair your DJI Mini 3 Pro to the DJI RC Pro. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so here we are. I've got the Mini 3 Pro on the right side, RC Pro on the left. RC Pro is now compatible with Mini 3 Pro, for those of you that didn't know that. But to begin, we're gonna go to the connection guide. And in here, you will see all the compatible aircrafts with this remote, like the Mavic 3, the Classic, the Air 2S, and the Mini 3 Pro. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna power on the Mini 3. I'm gonna tap on the drone here, and now it's going to start searching for the aircraft. In my past experiences, it's probably not gonna find it, so we're gonna end up doing it the manual way. Yeah, so it didn't find it automatically, so I'm gonna go to unable to connect to aircraft. So on the screen, it's going to tell you to hold down the power button for 4 seconds to put the drone in pairing mode. So I'm gonna hold it down for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3. There we go, we heard it beep. And now it's in pairing mode. So I'm gonna hit the pair button on the RC Pro. It beeped, and now it's paired, it's ready to go. It was very quick and easy to do. And so now we're ready to get to flying with the RC Pro. Okay, so I just was asked to bind the remote to the drone, or else it wouldn't have let me fly more than 4 times. So I just did that, and now it says binding successful. So I'm gonna X out of there, and now we're ready to go. So that is how easy it is to set up your RC Pro with the Mini 3 Pro. I will have more videos about the Mini 3 Pro, so definitely stay tuned here to the channel for those. But I will talk to you guys in the next video.